Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, after the conclusion of Umkhokha the Curse that concluded on Friday, the 28th of February, can we please all agree that Umkhokha the Curse and Isibaya were like mostly one of the best telenovelas? Like, I don't know, like how they did it, how they created everything, how they came up, how actors made sure Uguti they are coming and showing off, how they showed, how they played SF Vele. Those were their real lifestyle, and how you would want not to even skip the show going live. I don't know, guys. Whatever they did, however they did it, they honestly nailed it. Can we get a show that's going to be like Umkhokha or Isibaya? I hope whichever show that's going to play today at 8 p.m. is not going to disappoint. Otherwise, all of us are going like literally back to Skim Sam. I don't know. What do you think? Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.